News bago ako matulog kagabi, di ba? Yung tinext ko sa'yo. I wanna say thank you to Mr. Ding Dong Dantes because it was Dong who connected me with them.
Okay.
Dong had texted me in the afternoon and told me na, Chris, my friend, wants to contact you. So I said, okay. And then I said, can I have his number also? That's di ba kung di mo naman kilala, hindi mo sasagutin.
Oo.
So kasama natin ngayon, we're so privileged dahil ang President and CEO of Sea Oil, Glenn Yu, is with us right now. Good morning, Glenn.
Morning,
Good
Chris.
morning,
Morning.
Sir Glenn. Hi. Okay. Glenn, ano yung good news na dala mo para sa amin? Hindi ka lapit ka sa akin.
Okay.
We can be close.
Yeah.
We can be close.
You can be
Glenn?
close. Well, we heard nga that the truckers were volunteering their trucks to bring the relief goods to those flood-affected areas.
Yes, you said the Benguet truckers, di ba?
Yes, oo.
So-
Marami tayong truckers ngayon.
So that's why we got in touch with Ding Dong to let you guys know that we are ready and willing to support them by providing the fuel to bring
Libre
the
na yung
goods
fuel for the truckers.
Ay, ang galing. Yes,
Bait. Yung parang, that's a gift ka pamilya truck.
Yes.
Diba? Kasi nakakaya naman humiram ka na nga ng truck. Diba? Tapos sila pa ang abono dun sa fuel.
Opo. Pero we do, hinaharap namin yung
Cost.
ganong klaseng cost.
Pero ito na.
Because binigay na nga yung truck, meron pang wear and
Ito
carry
na si
yun.
Glenn.
Neighbor, thank you
Glenn, thank
very
you.
much. Glenn.
Thank you for that, Glenn.
Thank you.
God
Thank
bless
you.
you. So how will it work? Yung ano,
The
nag-usap
issue
na kayo?
was fuel cards. Tumulong na siya, Chris, nung Ondoy. Siya ang nagbigay ng
tuloy-tuloy
gasolina,
ang
tuloy-tuloy siya.
tulong.
And then with your connections, madam.
Yeah. Madam. Who will I connect you with? Oo.
You connected
Yes.
again, Mr. Glenn and Sea Oil to us. So thank you.
Ano tong mga iba? Ano tong Diners Club? Ibang kumpanya nyo yan?
Diba, ano
Oh,
yan?
there-
Parang card?
Yes, there are.
Yeah, that's yours?
There are partners. So,
Okay. And Security Bank is what?
Security Bank and Diners Club are partners for our fuel cards. So,
Fuel
card.
So we're donating 1 million pesos worth of fuel.
How many liters is
Wow!
that?
1 million pesos worth of
Compute.
fuel.
Nayayanig yung table namin. Nayayanig yung lamesa
Hindi, ang laking tulong niyan, Ma'am
Alam mo
Tina.
ba, ang 10-wheeler, dalawa ang gas tank niyan.
Oo, dalawa.
Dalawa ang gas tank.
How much po ang full tank ng 10-wheeler?
A full tank is maybe about 10,000 pesos.
Grabe.
Wow, ang daming trips na niyan, Glenn.
Ang dami.
Mabuhay kayo.
Glenn, you have
You're not my
something to say
endorsement,
pa.
pero sige, once in a while sa inyo na rin kami magpapaano. Magagalit sa akin yung ano. Pero kasi doon may fuel card din ako, pero thank you Ang bait-bait nyo talaga. Sea Oil, 1 million worth of
Glenn,
fuel.
you want to say something else, Glenn?
Well, because we have a station just right outside, no? So the truckers can go out and
Saan? We're here
Sa
now
Quezon
sa
Avenue.
Eugenio Lopez Drive. So where are you?
EDSA.
along EDSA, paglabas from Mother Ignacia, when you turn
Ay,
right,
so
we have a
doon
station
na.
there.
Ay.
And then along the way, when the truckers are
Need to refuel?
yes, when they need to refuel, then we'll assign refueling points
Thank
for them.
you.
Yes.
Mabuhay kayo, Sea Oil. God bless your
Thank
company
you
and
so
God
much.
bless you, Glenn.
Glenn, thank you again and
Eto na-
again and
Thank
again.
you.